So this is a general checklist, right, Steve?
Yes.
So kind of go over that for
Yeah,
us.
absolutely. So this is a general checklist for any type of 0% business credit card stacking is what it's called. And clients on average get funded anywhere between $100,000 to $250,000. Depends on their profile. And these are the minimum requirements for you to hit above $100,000, okay? At 0% interest for 12 to 15 months. And so
Talk about the minimum payment. So it's like,
oh, minimum
yeah,
payment. Yes, yes. So
because people are like, oh, is there still a minimum payment? Like, what does that mean? Like 0% interest for a whole year?
yes, yes. So 0% interest is given by the banks. They want to lend you money because most people, when they don't use it responsibly, they're going to get you on the interest. Average bank interest when you take a loan is anywhere between 20 to 35%. Even the credit cards, if you don't pay on time and you just let it go, then not only does it hurt your credit and go to collections or charge off, but they're going to charge anywhere between 25 to 35% interest per year. So that's a lot.
So, for example, if you owe $1,000 on a
Right.
credit card, 25% APR, then would be you'd be charged $250
Yes, $250 to
for the
$350
year,
in
though.
the course of year if you keep that balance on. But
So,
most
because some people might think, is it per month you get charged
no,
that? No.
it's a year.
So it's like it's not as scary. Even at 20% isn't as scary. Like if you blew all your money, then that's bad.
Right.
But if you used it to create vehicles to generate more income, that should be paid off. Like, yeah.
You have a whole 12 months, 12 to 15 months before you have to make close to the full amount that you have to pay off.
Right. And chances are, like with the lead gen, you're already starting to make money in like 4, 5, 6 months. So you can already start paying that off if needed, so that you have plenty of time. That's the point I wanted to make is with the lead gen business, we can start making money in 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months max, some of with these lead gen properties, how we teach it. So that like a year is plenty of time. It gives you a 6 months cushion basically to pay that off.
Yes, that's correct. And the only minimum payment that you have to worry about, and you can put this on auto payment, is a 1% of the total debt that you use. So let's say we got you 100K, right, card, right? And you max it out.
You spent all of the 100K right away.
Theoretically,
Yeah.
then you'll only have to pay $1,000 a month minimum payment until that 12 months, let's say 0% introductory rate ended, then ideally you would have to pay almost the full amount back for not to accrued interest.
Gotcha. If you spend 50K, that's only $500 that you have to pay minimum payment, which is nothing.
So kind of moving forward, these are some of the key histories and requirements that you need in order for you to even apply on your own. But remember that working with us, you have access to all these relationship managers that can get you 4 to 5x more funding per credit card. So ideally on your credit report, you need two primary credit cards. So basically two credit cards that you have. Different banks does not matter. Total limit combined with all your personal credit cards has to be ideally 10 to 15K or more. I just say 15K or more to get you maximum amounts of funding. And average history, meaning all your credit cards, personal credit cards combined, what's the average history? Is it 1 year, 3 years, 5 years? And that has to be ideally 2 years or more.